What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is the day that we take the Civic out for its first maiden voyage and we tune this thing. There may be more than one maiden voyage. I don't know yet. I don't know how this car is going to go in terms of tuning. No, so today we are going to be tuning the Civic, which I'm super stoked about, and then after that this car will be done and I can drive it and have a boosted Civic. But last night I came here with my friends and we went over the car and got some stuff taken care of. I took the downpipe off and brought it to Clint because Clint needed to shorten it for me because, yeah, as you guys know, when we took it out for the first time, the thing was just dragging on the ground. So Clint fixed that. Huge shout out to Clint. I'll leave his Instagram right here. Go check him out, give him a follow. Say thank you for being an awesome person. Next thing, a lot of you guys were commenting on the last video saying that the DSM injectors were low impedance, and we didn't know to check for that, so thank you to anyone that commented that. We did some research, found out yes, they were low impedance, so we went through Steven's website, which is awesome, got some Fuel Injector Clinic injectors, and those are all in the car already plumbed up. Everything is good there. They're 525cc injectors compared to the DSM injectors, which were 450s. So huge shout out to Steven and Steven's website. I'll leave that in the description as well. You guys can use the 5% code diiviine and save anything that you would like on the website for your car. I picked up Honda S300 in an ECU already, ready to go. So here's the factory ECU. We're gonna take it out, plug the new one in, get the wire all put in, yep, and then we'll be able to take this thing out for rip. All right, here we go. So ECU's all installed. He's plugging in.
Installing device driver stiff.
This is the first time I've ever had like a tuned car. It's weird. It's cool. I helped him tune a car, like I drove the car while he tuned it, so this is like my first kind of real experience with it though, so it's kind of cool. All right, so Steven just uploaded it to Honda, so we're gonna fucking start it and see what happens. You stop that. Negative 20 boost. What are you doing to me, dude?
That's all you get.
This is such a new experience to me. I think it's so cool to just like see what, like, how it all happens.
Yeah. And I haven't done Honda either, so
yeah, I'm
learning this one too.
Running good, no oil leaks. Fuel injectors are good, no fuel leaks. Fingers crossed, everything is good. We're really hungry, so we're probably gonna go run and grab a bite to eat real quick, and then when we come back here, we should be able to take this thing out. That is what I'm stoked for. If you guys haven't already, be sure to smash the like button on this video because this car is finally getting tuned. It'll finally be able to come out, enjoy the last little bit of nice weather that we have before winter kicks in. Who knows, maybe I'll drive it through the winter. I don't care, but I'm excited for this. It's been a few hours since I picked up the camera the last time. I went through and kind of did a quick detail on the whole car just because I was so tired of seeing it all dusty sitting in the corner. We have the car warming up right now. It's a little bit later. We're going to take the car out and do a kind of cruise test and make sure that cruising speeds are all set up and taken care of. Everything's running right and properly, just for normal driving speeds. And then since it's dark out, we don't want to do the full tune tonight. We're going to come back tomorrow and we're going to do the full tune tomorrow. I'll obviously tie that into this video, but for now we're just letting this thing warm up. I'll throw you guys on the suction mount inside the car. We'll take this thing out, do a cruise test, make sure everything is good, and tomorrow's the big day for the tune. See what this thing does. I'm stoked on it.
Hello, camera.
Hello. So, like I said, this is just cruise tuning. We're just testing to see how everything is going to react when we're just driving normally and adjust from there. I know when I started to pull out of the spot, I don't even know if they can see me right now, but we'll see. I'm just gonna ease into it, see if it does anything. No, nothing there. Still at 15.
And then as it starts loading, I have it set so the fuel drops richer, so in 13s.
Yeah.
Once it starts building any sort of boost. Right now, I don't believe, yeah, right now we're not building any, so I'll need to adjust that. You heard turb ski noise.
I heard that. I heard that. I fucking love that so much. So much. Alright guys, well, I don't know how much of that cruising footage I'm gonna put in here. I may not even put this clip in here at all, but the car's running good. The AFRs took a little bit to get used to. Steven's never used Honda before, and I've never even touched Honda before, let alone build a turbo car. So this is all new to me, and it's new to Steven, but car's running good. We got like a nice 40-mile-an-hour cruise speed. Got 30, got 50. We didn't do highway pulls, but we did highway cruising, and AFRs are pretty clean across the board. So
yeah, we're getting there.
Yeah.
But surely.
Yeah. So yeah, it's definitely a learning process, but my car smells like I just cooked a grilled cheese sandwich on it. It's weird. Maybe it's because of all the oil on our hands, like on the manifold, cooking off.
I mean, you might have grilled cheese hanging, but I don't.
I want a grilled cheese right now. You guys told me to clean the manifold before we started the car, and I didn't. So maybe that's why. But car's running good, and we'll be back in 2 seconds for you guys to be tuning this car tomorrow for sure. Like for real this time. We're gonna go out and do some actual pulls, see what this car is made of now that it has a turbo kit on it. So I'll see you guys in 2 seconds. Uber has arrived. Is just dumping leaves.
Why won't you leave us alone? Oh, TNT gauge buds, everybody.
Just pop that. There you go. Good as new.
Numbers crooked as hell. We good.
Oh, you know, just swapping my Skyline for Evo. Weird flex, but okay. All right, so we just got to the shop. I just mic'd up the engine bay. Got the microphone zip tied right here to my little Rode mic right here, pointing towards the whole turbo setup. So we should be able to get some better audio for when we're actually test driving this thing, which we're doing right now. So I'm gonna hop in the car, waste no time. We're gonna take this thing out and actually rip it, and I'm so excited for this. You excited for this, Brett?
I'm feeling 240.
240.
Not today, but like
not today, maybe.
I want you to get 240.
Yeah, that would be
On the D series.
Yeah, that'd be cool. All right, let's take it out. Today we're tuning for real. Getting the actual full RPM range out of the car.
That bump's gonna snap this laptop in half.
The turbo flutter is nuts. I love it. It smells like grilled cheese.
I know you like it.
I do.
So keep moving forward. Get on it a little bit.
Sorry if I'm not being very enthusiastic at the moment. I'm just kind of driving and learning the car again. Everything kind of feels a little different. The throttle response is a lot more touchy than it was before. And, you know, just kind of driving the car again. So I haven't driven it in like a month and a half, 2 months. So hopping back on the highway. I think we're gonna do
another part throttle.
A little part throttle pull.
So you want third.
I want third?
Yeah.
Oh man. This thing is sick. Everything seems to be going very well. I hope the mic in the under the hood picks up everything, because this turbo is making such beautiful noises, and I really hope that it captures it on camera. I can't get the smile off of my face. It's just like stuck there. This is so fun. It's so cool. All right, so we're gonna head back to the shop. Steven logged everything, so we'll give it some time to cool down and then head back out and we'll do full pulls. This thing is so cool.
Give her the beans.
I'm so excited for this. All right, so we've been hanging at the shop again, and we're about to take the car out again. We got the cruise tune done, or the cruise section of the tune done last night. We got partial throttle tune set up earlier today, and now we're gonna take it out and do a full RPM check. Make sure all the fuel is good, AFRs are good, and all that stuff. And we also want to see what peak boost we hit, because we have no idea. I have no idea what size spring is in this wastegate, and since we're running it off pressure right now, it could be 6, it could be 7, it could be 8. I don't know. Steven said that he saw 7 on his computer, but we didn't top it out yet. So we're gonna top it out, see what it does, and then that's a wrap for right now. Civic's turboed, dude, and it runs awesome. Knock on wood. I mean, we're not fully out of the woods yet, but it's running really good. But I'm letting it warm up right now, and then I'll see you guys back in the car, and we'll do a full pull. Okay, so I'm extremely annoyed because I thought that I was recording, but I guess I wasn't. So we're gonna take it out and tune it fully, full throttle. I'm saying that as if we didn't just do it already, and I didn't record it because the camera wasn't recording. But we're gonna do it again, obviously, because we want to make sure everything is tip-top. But how did it do on that run, do you think?
On this range, pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You said it got like a little richer?
Yeah, it got a little richer, so we can clean it up a little more top end. Cool.
So, yeah, we pulled over real quick. We're just adjusting some stuff. Then we're going to take it back out to Mexico and see what she do. I love the noises so much. It's so good.
Give her some beans.
Here we go. Holy shit. It has long gears.
Like,
Really long. Wow. That was crazy. So, what was that for PSI wise, do you think?
we're at 7-8 psi.
Okay, so yeah, around the same, 8 psi. About what I expected out of that eBay wastegate. First gear is definitely a little bucky, but so for some reason his laptop became disconnected from Honda, so we pulled over. I got some gas real quick, and we're just trying to reconnect.
There we go.
Hey, we're back.
Back on that.
All right, back on the highway.
And beans.
Jesus Christ.
It's actually moving pretty good.
We're doing 90 in third gear.
The fueling is me.
Do you think that's good?
I think that's good.
Okay. Tuning is complete.
Until we decide we want more boost.
Until we want more boost, yeah. So good. So good. So I do want to also get like a nice flyby on camera, just so that I can see the car from the outside. I have yet to see this car drive because I'm always the one driving it. So I'd like to see that. And this turbo build is wrapped, people, for now. Until I want more boost, or a bigger engine, or whatever, I don't know. God damn. That thing is awesome now. I'm so pumped. I'm so glad that this went smoothly in the end and everything is working out. It's awesome. That thing is so cool. Thing needs some new brakes. How is it?
She got the beans.
She's got the beans.
It's quick, it's fun.
Yeah. It's not like crazy, but it's fun.
It's a big improvement from what it was.
Oh, 100%.
Without a doubt.
I love this thing now. All right, guys. Well, I think that pretty much wraps up today. We tuned the car fully. We got cruise done. We got partial throttle tune done. We got full RPM tune all said and done. Car feels great. Car's running great. The AFRs are all smooth, and now I have a turboed Civic, and the turbo kit, the $800 disaster turbo kit, is now complete. And honestly, I'm very happy with how it went. And even though a couple things didn't fit and I had to get things modified and fixed, the car's handling it very well, and huge thank you to anyone that helped. Clint especially welded so much stuff and fixed so much stuff that was wrong with this turbo kit. He made everything work. So huge shout out to Clint, and also Steven for being a huge help with his website, getting me parts really quickly because the stuff didn't work and everything like that. But we tried to get a horsepower number through the dyno graph on the computer, but Honda was reading funny and my RPMs were kind of everywhere, so it wasn't giving us a clean enough reading. So I don't know what horsepower it makes, which leads me to my next thing. May go down to Jimmy and have Jimmy dyno tune this, because one, I think that would make for cool content. You guys love Jimmy, I love Jimmy, he's an awesome dude. And two, I want to see what horsepower this eBay turbo kit can put out. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, leave it down in the comments below, because I'd like to get that done fairly soon. So I think I'm gonna end the video there. I hope you guys enjoyed this little series of installing the turbo kit on my 95 Civic. And now it's turboed. Now it's so much more fun to drive. And I'm gonna take it home and just enjoy it. I'm gonna enjoy it. That's why I did it. I wanted to enjoy it. So I will see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that awesome stuff. Peace out.